No introduction, we're just gonna get right into it. If you wanna make something like this, let me show you how you can do it step by step. And we're gonna be using both Photoshop and Illustrator. We're gonna start off in Illustrator. So I'll just switch to Illustrator right now. And what you're gonna do is you're going to use the rectangle tool. You're gonna drag it out. And you have these small circles in the center. You can go ahead and adjust the curvature of your shape. And what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and increase the stroke to, say, 5 pixels or 5 points. Now what we're going to do is we're going to use this particular tool, which is the width tool, keyboard shortcut Shift-W. And you can see this thumbnail shows you exactly what it's doing to the vector shape. I'm going to click on it and then click on one of the handles, extend it out, do the same thing on the opposite side. And you can see that I can control the overall variation in thickness of any particular corner. And it's also affecting the line width. So it kind of gives me a little bit of that variable line width that you can get when you're using raster-based tools. So I've got something like this. I'll make another one. I'll make a vertical display. I'll round the corners. I'll go ahead and increase the points to about 4 or 5. Then I'll hit Shift-W and adjust the overall thickness of the shape. So you can rinse and repeat this technique once you have this in place. I'll just go ahead and take a copy. I'm using the Option key to make a duplicate copy. And just for variation purposes, I'll just rotate this, maybe put it in at a little bit of an angle. So the next step here is I'm gonna select the whole object, so in this case I've got 3 objects. I'm selecting all 3 of the objects. I'm going to hit Command-C to copy it, and then in Photoshop I'll make a brand new document and I'll hit Command-V to paste it. And now I've got a smart object, so you can see that those objects now show up. I can hit Return, and then from there I can now use the magic wand tool. I'll click outside, and then I'll inverse the selection by holding down Shift-Command-I, make a new layer, and I'm going to create a stroke. And the stroke will be, let's make it 10 pixels. We'll do the same thing for the inside. I'm using the magic wand tool on the inside. Go back up to Edit, choose Stroke. I'll make this one, say, 8, make it a little bit thinner. Click OK, and now I can hide the original. And so now I've got these really cool displays. Now to kind of make this effect really pop, what you can do is on a brand new layer, you can just fill it in with black. And then you can start to use the lasso tools to create something like a desk. So I'm just making a selection that looks like a desk, like a trapezoidal shape. I'll Command X to cut it. And then I can also add wires. Again, I'm using the polygon lasso tool. And then I can always come back in with my brush. And I can adjust as needed. I can add little controls, other knobs, etc. And then you've got the effect. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please consider giving it a thumbs up so more folks can find it. As always, thanks for watching the video, and I will catch you in the next one. See ya.